What's up YouTube, this is Goodbye Polly on a Sunday afternoon. It's bright, beautiful, and it's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm here reviewing this bike after 11,300 kilometers. I've got a clutch plate that cost me 5,000 rupees. The front wheel is okay, it's not out of shape yet, but the rear tire needs a change. And surprisingly, these tires don't come cheap. So the Pirelli Phantom's Sportscom comes with tubeless tires with tubes inside them because they've got spokes. The front wheel doesn't take too much of the ruptures, but the rear tires do, and they cost about somewhere between 8 to 13,000 rupees each. So that's a lot of money. I looked them up online. They were scarcely available. They were about 13,000 odd rupees each on Amazon, which is a little high compared to the cost of the motorcycle. I checked them out on the retail store. Pirelli's got a showroom in Double Road, close to Lal Bagh if you're from Bangalore. I called them up. They said they had the tires in stock, and they were about 8 to 9,000 rupees each. So there's quite some difference there. So I'm going to go there and check it out, and I'm going to keep you guys posted in terms of the cost. Now the specs of these tires, they're about, the front tire is about 130 bar 70 18-inch, and the rear is 100 bar 90 18-inch. So I'm gonna go there and check the cost, and I will keep you guys posted, right? So you stay tuned, and I will tell you how much these tires cost after about 11 to 14,000 kilometers, which is what they lost as per what's been advised. You stay tuned, yeah? Ciao now. What's up guys? So it's Monday, and I did go to the showroom yesterday, and unfortunately the showrooms were shut, so I couldn't do anything much. Well, I did give them a call today. It's just too much to ride around in the traffic. Bangalore is just intense. So I did check it with them, and they said that it's available at about 8,000 something. I think it's about 9,000 rupees each. I don't have to change my front tire, but I have to change my rear tire. So if you can see, let me just quickly show you here. I have got 11,451 kilometers covered on this motorcycle, and I'm just going to show you that the status of my wheel here. This is my front wheel. It's not so bad. It's not so bad at all. The rear tires are bald, man. They're completely bald. I don't know if you can see them. They are bald. Okay, it's like a tube almost. So yeah, to change it, it will cost me 9,000 rupees, and nothing more, nothing less. If you guys are deciding to actually look it up on Amazon, or trying to save some bucks on online retail, I would advise you not to do it, because the guys online are quoting 13,500. There was one guy who was quoting 17,000 rupees for one rear tire. Do not buy it on Amazon, for now at least, because the cost of the tire is only 9,000 rupees, and it's available on the retail stores straight from Pirelli. Okay, that's it. So have a nice day guys, and remember, your tires cost you 10,000 rupees each, almost 9,000 rupees each, right? So when you do those burnouts, be very careful. Cheers and have a nice time. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell if you like what you watch. Cheers.